Hello, and welcome to Light Buckets. Today I'm looking at an Astromania 1.25" mirror diagonal. At $21.99 from Amazon, this diagonal is a great buy if you're looking to replace a broken diagonal or, like me, a cheap prism. It's far from professional grade, but well, like I said, $21.99. Only the eyepiece tube and the screws are made out of metal, the mirror is made of glass, and the rest is plastic. It weighs in at a whopping 88 grams, or just over 3 ounces. It's shipped in a bubble-lined manila envelope, and the box that I got must have been ripped in shipping. As for functionality, it does exactly what it's supposed to. The telescope side is threaded to accept standard 1.25" filters. It has held the weight of my Nikon D3400 and Barlow lens when I took pictures of Jupiter and Saturn. I've got to say I'm pretty much happy with this piece, but I don't have a whole lot to compare it to, as my prism is the only other diagonal that I own. Well, thanks for watching.